Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to add smooth slow motion in Premiere Pro. And first of all, it's better to use a video with 60 frames per second or higher. So how higher the FPS is, how better the slow motion. For example, I'm using here a 30 FPS video, but what we want to do now is very simple. Do a right mouse click on this clip, and then from here we go to speed and duration. Then right now we click first time interpolation optical flow, and then right now we will do speed to, let's say, 55. Then we do OK, and right now we have right here a slow motion with a optical flow. Now if you can see, this is a slow motion with 30 FPS, but when you're having 60 frames per second or higher, you will have the best slow motion that you can get. So this is exactly how this works. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.